Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use Spotlight search on your iPhone, of course. So you're just going to go to like your home page and you're going to kind of drag this down, and then here's where you can search stuff. So for instance, you want to download an app, you don't have to go to the app store to download it. You can just type Cooking Mama and it will open up this like top hit, and then you can download it there without you having to open up App Store. And I think it's very helpful if you just want to quickly download something or search something up. It will show up apps and also like the series suggestions. Like for instance, you're asking about somebody's history, it can like show up here, so you don't really have to go to Google, and it's just much easier to use the Spotlight search feature. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!